Alright, finally, a new video. Now this is a video, not touching the fire alarms today. Today we're doing a video on security. Now I should just start off by saying this is not my alarm. This is for my grandparents. They own it. It is not mine. But that's not going to stop me from doing a video on it. Now this is a DSC Powerseries NEO. I believe it's a, here we go, it's a HS2032. Now I got this for an absolute steal of $100. It comes with, it came with this keypad, which is RF and has the prox tag capability. Came with an IP communicator, which I'm hoping I can get going. Really hope I can without needing a central station monitoring it. Came with 4 of these DSC PIRs, as well as one really ugly PIR, which I don't know where I put it. Here. It's actually meant to be mounted like that, not like that. I really think it looks quite bad. And it came with 4 of these wireless door contacts. See if I turn on the chime here. There you go. Just turn that off so it doesn't get annoying. Now that's it there. Now it did come with 2 of these remotes, but one I'm not too sure if it's broken or it just hasn't got many battery. Hasn't got much battery. I know this doesn't have much battery in it. But obviously when I put it in, I'll replace all of them. Now I do have the siren hooked up. Now I've just got it outside in that blanket so it's not too loud, so don't piss anyone off. So we're going to go out. We'll arm it with the remote. So we'll do away. Right, so we're going to get out, and I'm going to take this door contact with me. Oh, probably be alright here. Now, to take 1 minute to arm. Now, I'm not too sure, so this is underway. I'm not too sure if I trigger that motion, if it'll go off instantly or it'll start a delay. I guess we can find out. And I've got a trouble in it because of low battery in this thing. Sure does take its time. Here we go. I think we'll trip the motion. Just to see what happens. There you go. It's quite hard to trip because it has got pet immunity on it, so I don't know if this will go off instantly or it'll. Yeah, it will. There you go. So I'll just hold that. The code of my alarm. Entrance, zone 1, that's that PIR. Let's see, it's probably just, yeah, device battery, zone door. Actually, I'm not sure if I arm it in a way, it's that one. By the way, this is just held on here with 1 screw just for testing, obviously not permanent. I just want to test if I open this, if I can then set the motion detector off without it going off. And we'll use the prox tag to disarm it this time actually, I think. I think it's a 30-second entry delay. Takes its time, doesn't it? Feels longer when you're just waiting here. There it goes. Right, so I'll trip this. Just zoom out. Now I'll go trip that PIR and see if it goes off. Yeah, okay, that's a problem then. I'll have to fix that. Alright, so I've just reduced the exit delay time just to make it a little more bearable, so now it's 10 seconds. Now it should be fixed, so I should be able to trigger that once I've triggered that, and if my finger doesn't get in the way. Alright, let's arm it. That one. There's actual testing here because I had no idea. Bloody flies. Now let's trigger this. And that is why I don't like wireless zones. So I don't typically like wireless zones because, I mean, you just seen why. I mean, yeah, it has a low battery, so I'll let it off there, but when I have a wireless door contact, I always make sure that there's a PIR covering that door as well, just in case, as a backup. There it goes. Entry is active. Now let's trigger this PIR and see if it goes off. Oh, we're all good. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's arm it. What's that? Why does it say bypass active? Well, that's away. Stay mode. Why has it done that? Hold on. Let's try. Well, I guess we can test. Yeah, so that's all good. Star 1 to arm interior. Huh. Oh, really? It's just like that? There's no exit delay? Let's try that again. Maybe there was exit delay, it was just silent. Yeah. Let's see, there should be another tag here. Yep, let's see if this one arms it in a way. Because I want it to arm it in a way when I press the, when I do the tag. No. See, it's doing the beeping like it's going to go into stay. Away, sorry. But then it says, right. I'm just going to investigate that. Alright, let's try this. No. Why is it bypassing it, eh? Hold on. Yeah, even on the code it's army and that. What if I use the master code? Okay, this is interesting. Okay, I've figured it out. Just like the Honeywells, you have to open a door for it to arm in away. There's probably an option to turn that off, which I'll try and find. Actually, maybe I won't, because I don't want my grandparents fucking something up and then locking themselves in. But yeah, we'll try the prox tag. It does say bypass active, but then I'll open that and close it, and it should go into away. Yep. And now, since these are meant to be also a backup, I want them to be a delay if they're covering a zone that might be accessed to enter, if that makes any sense. Now I think we'll just go do a panic outside and that'll be it. So I'll just hold this. And one of the cool things is that these remote does actually have a beeper in it, so. And yes, that is set to bell squawk, so it does. Just the remote is set so that it will activate the siren for a second or two when it's used, just so that they know. Alright, so that's about it. I may or may not do a video showing how I installed this. It probably won't be till next year anyway. Probably or later in the year, I don't know. But anyway, I'm liking the system a lot. I'm starting to like it more than the Honeywell systems. It's really cool. It's quite versatile. It has got the programmable outputs, which the Honeywell does have, but they're really hard to access. Because they're just some pins on the board, whereas this actually has terminals for them. This is an 8-zone board. So you got your zones, you got a ground, and then there's the telephone wire connectors, obviously AC, and the auxiliary power, the bell, red and black for the keypad, yellow and green. And that's about it. And I actually really like that this has got a connector for the battery. That's a great little feature. Really hope I can get this communicator working, because I think it would be really good. But yeah, I think that's about it. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.